let's talk about WhatsApp dark mode. So over here you can see this is my MS Word dark mode. Let's make the WhatsApp in dark mode. Now, dark mode is a popular feature that changes the appearance of the app to a dark theme, reducing eye strain. That's the reason why people go to dark mode, yeah. Reducing eye strain and making it easier to use in low light environment. So to enable dark mode, let's go to the WhatsApp menu. So I'm going to tap on the WhatsApp menu. Now tap on the settings, then go straight to tap on the chat, tap on the theme, and there you are. I'm going to choose dark and tap on the OK. And there it is. So now dark mode not only reduces eye strain but also helps you conserve your battery life on your device. So with the dark mode, you can use WhatsApp for longer periods without worrying about your battery drain. WhatsApp dark mode feature is available on Apple and Android. So currently what you see on my screen here is an Android phone. So it's also applicable. You can use it on your Apple phone. So this feature respects your device's system-wide dark mode setting if your device has one. Okay, so upgrade your WhatsApp experience and enable dark mode today and enjoy the comfortable messaging experience. Remember to take good care of your eyes, especially during the night and low light environment. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to click the like button, don't forget to share the video. Thank you so much, and drop me a comment in the comment section below. Do you know that you can use your fingerprint to lock your WhatsApp? So let's go. Open your WhatsApp, tap the three dots, tap the settings. Now scroll down to where you have privacy, tap on privacy, scroll all the way down and you will see fingerprint lock. Tap on fingerprint lock. That's the slide there. Slide it, and there it is. Verify your identity and then you can use your fingerprint. So for those who don't want people to go into their WhatsApp, this is for you. I'm talking to you. This is for you. All right. Let's talk about WhatsApp web. Do you know you can use WhatsApp on your computer? Is that easy? I'm going to show you how. So using WhatsApp on your computer, you wouldn't have to switch from your computer to your phone constantly. So right now, log on to this website, web.whatsapp.com. Once logged on, you'll see similar page like this on my screen. Now log on to your WhatsApp. Okay, once you log on to your WhatsApp, tap the menu, which is the three dots. Okay, now tap the linked devices. Great. Now what you do is you tap on the linked device. Now point your phone to the QR code on your computer. Then it locks you into WhatsApp. Right now it's currently loading my chat. Now this is perfect for those who work on computer and want to keep their conversations on WhatsApp easily accessible without having to switch from phone and onto their computer. So let's hold on as this chat loads on my computer. Voila, that's it. So you can now easily just work on your computer, do whatever you want to do while you're still busy. And what happens is once you get a message on WhatsApp, you're going to see a message pop up here and then you just click on it. Thank you, and click the like button if this did help. Let's talk about WhatsApp status. Now this feature allows you to share photos, videos, text updates with your contacts. But did you know that you can also control who can see your status updates? Let me show you how. Tap on the menu, which is the three dots. Tap on the settings. Tap on privacy. Now you will see status. Tap on it. Currently, as you can see over there, which is the status here, you will see it on my contacts. All right. So tap on status. Currently, by default, my contacts can see my status. Right. Now, if you tap on the second one, okay, my contacts accept Now, when you tap on it, it takes you to your contacts, and then you will choose the people or the contacts you do not want them to see your status update. Okay, and here when you tap on the third option, you would only choose the people you want to see your status update. Does this help? Do you know about this? Okay, drop me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. Now, by adjusting your privacy settings, you can choose to share your status updates with only certain contacts or even make them completely private. Is that what you want? Drop me a comment in the comment section below. Let me hear your thoughts. Polls in group chats. Not everybody is aware of this poll in WhatsApp. Go to your WhatsApp, tap that, and you will see polls. Tap on it. When it opens up, this is very useful when it's via group chat. Now you can type your question. Okay, so I'm just going to paste my question, and then you put options. Okay, so here I call it 4 p.m. and let's call this 2 p.m. and then you send. You can click here to add more options. Then when you send, people via the WhatsApp group can vote. All right, there you go. The voting is there, so you can view votes and see how many people who voted. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips.